Another little thing. I think I know what this is. Now, this has got some oddities attached to it because basically I'm not sure about the light fitting or the light switch, one of the two. There's a few reasons for saying that. Okay, hold on. With the last set of bulbs, basically this, even without this cover on, was too high, so the bulb couldn't push right down. But there's another problem as well. The light switch indicator on the left there is flickering when you put it on. I'm not really sure what's going to happen. I should probably put all three in, but I just want to start off by seeing what happens here. Well, that's a pretty good start, isn't it? I think what I'm going to do is switch that off and put the other two in and then see how we get on. Maybe it is okay. Well, that would be great if it is, because I've been in the dark. Another one. And let's have a fast motion. Yay! I think I know what's happened. Basically, I don't know if there was an issue to begin with, but the replacement bulbs, as well as not fitting in properly, I think there was some non-dimmable bulbs in there and they flicker when you start to dim them. So I think that's what it was. And then I was told, oh, they're flickering and all the rest of it. And yeah, so I think that's what it was. Non-dimmable bulbs. I think there may have been a problem beforehand though, but anyway, these are quite nice though, aren't they? They're LED, and yet they are, if I turn them down so they don't flare out the light. Here we go, see if we can get, whoops, trying to go up the ladder the wrong side. So, yeah, they've got these. They're all right, aren't they? So I would say, well, we'll find out, see how it goes on during the course of the day. I mean, like, for instance, what happens if I put the upstairs one on? Oh, that's still on. Where is it? There you go. Sorry to tip you upside down like that. Look at those. Quite cute. The only thing they don't... Careful what you wish for. I was going to say the only thing they don't do is flicker. I don't want them to flicker. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I'll have to check. This was a pack of 4. They weren't very much money. Came from Amazon, so came from someone. I'll get the price, and they are really quite nice. Actually, I'm quite thrilled with these. Anybody who saw this will probably be like, oh my God, he's actually happy. I am. I'm just getting used to these, by the way. Got a little yellow one in the corner that's got to go. So I'm going to get another pack of those, I think. They're all right. They're all right. I'm getting used to those. But these, I'm quite tickled with this. I love them when they're down this low. They look so great. They still look a bit brighter on the video, but while I look at them here, they remind me of, I mentioned these before, the Halo Angel Eye rings on early 5 Series E39 BMWs, sort of 2000, I think it was, they came in. I had one, and those were amazing at the time. But this sort of gives off some light with no glare. It's actually really nice. Obviously, I can turn it up. And just in case you didn't know, this is a Lutron switch. Now you can see very clearly there, the little green light tells you how far on they are. One press to turn it off. You won't be able to see on, and same with the upstairs one, turn that off. You won't be able to see here with the camera, but when you look at them in real life, if you like, the light that it was just showing, how bright it was set to, is very dimmed, but it's still visible, so you can see what sort of level of lighting it's going to give you. If you just click the sort of instant on button, it will go to its last setting, you see. But you can still go up and down manually if you want to, and if you double tap, it comes on full brightness, which you've probably noticed. So there we go. These were 40 watt equivalents each, so 120. I did want a bit more. I would have gone for 60 each. And I may put covers over them, like these have got, you know. I might do, I might not. See how I am when it's dark, but anyway. From the guy who brought you lots of drama with seemingly every single possible, you know, you can see why people don't win the lottery. You know, you think, well, it's only 5 numbers. Well, it's not only 5 numbers. It's 5. If there was just 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, or 5, and you've got to get it right 5 times, that'd be like a padlock. Your odds would go up. But imagine having a padlock where it's 5 numbers, but the numbers each range from 1 to 59 or 60. So the first number is anything from 1 to 59. The second number is anything from 1 to 59. Anyway, so just these random little differences in bulbs just cause so many possibilities. I mean, if you look at human DNA, there's well, all computing is done with a 1 and a 0. Not that computing's that smart, but it does what it does. DNA, what is it, 6 possibilities, 6 combinations, and look what you can make out of that. And it moves up. Anyway, so yeah, you get, and I kept saying 1.5 watt, it's 1.5 volt, of course. Yeah, and they're, anyway, that's them. These are 40 watt equivalents, which is about somewhere around about 4-ish volts. So this is now putting out, well, it's actually putting out an infinite amount more than it was putting out before, because it was never switched on before, because I thought it wasn't working, or so I'd been told. But anyway, it's now putting out probably less than 1/10 of what it used to put out, because I'm sure I had 60 watt bulbs in here. I mean, come in and get a suntan on the roof of your head, unless you've got hair there. Just saying. All right, I'm rambling. I'm quite happy over a set of bulbs, but I've also been quite unhappy over a set of bulbs, and I know which I prefer. Hope you do too. Do the thing down there with the click button and stuff. Make me famous. Thank me. Say hi. Do what you will. Be nice. Speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye. These, they were £10.66 from Amazon. Maybe I should put a link in the description. Should I do that? You want that?